I've had these solar light posts from VOLISUN on my post about 4 years now. You can tell it's time for an update. I put them on the post when I rebuilt this deck, and I had new posts and railings, and it's time to revitalize everything. They still work for the most part, but you know, things happen. They get yucky over time. Let's see if this one will work. See, it'll still have a light, but not as much light as I want. So I'm very excited that VOLISUN sent me the latest version. So I'm going to get these installed on these posts, and we're going to take a look at them tonight. I've had them sitting out here. I've got several of them for all the posts sitting out here getting the sun today. What I love is that VOLISUN includes the screws that you need to mount these. On the old ones, there was several parts to them and you had to get it just right. But on the new ones, it just sits on top and it has screws for the mounting. It also has different settings that you can make. You can toggle the switch for different colors or light adjustment. That's really cool. Wasn't in that way in the first version. So let me get these installed and we'll take a look at them here in a little bit after the sun goes down. Look at how great these post toppers look. They look awesome on my deck. They light up the deck and give ambiance without it being glaring. This is after only a few hours of charging this afternoon. I really like these. I do definitely think they're an upgrade from the previous version, and I appreciate the brand sending them to me, and I appreciate you guys watching.